And I will request you, beseech you to please circulate this video. Namaskar friends, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodhyam.com. This video episode is dedicated to the very pertinent and currently controversial topic, construction of new parliament building, new Sansad Bhavan for India. Recently, our Prime Minister Modi ji has done groundbreaking ceremony of the same in the very month of December. Although our Honorable Supreme Court has already stayed the further construction of the Parliament building, but the design and everything, the whole project has been finalized, and I believe that with passage of time, it will be completed. The government is targeting that the whole building will be complete by 2022, and it will be a engineering marvel, architectural marvel. And I am discussing this topic because there are vastu angles of this building which make or mar the development and growth of our nation. And before coming to the topic of the new building, let me recapitulate the old building. As you might have seen, the old building is of the circular shape along with circular pillars, a lot of pillars surrounding it. And this is the very innovative design, and it was designed by the Lutyens and Herbert Baker in the English rule, and it was promoted as the brilliant example of Western architecture. But later it was discovered that it was just a copy of the Chaussat Yogini temple in the Morena district of our Madhya Pradesh state. Chaussat Yogini temple means 64 yoginis. Yoginis are specific type of energies in the universe which has a specific role in the running of the universe as per Hindu thought. So it was the parliament. If you see the images of Chaussat Yogini temple on the Google as well as images of parliament, you will clearly see that the parliament was just a copy of the Chaussat Yogini temple, but the Lutyens or Baker didn't disclose, but they brilliantly executed the project. It is really engineering marvel, but not the architectural marvel, because it is a copy of the already existing building or a Hindu temple. But many people are opposing the new parliament, construction new parliament. Although this is not subject of the our topic or video, but I want to mention a few point here. Actually, the parliament was envisaged for a small number of MPs, but with the passage of time, it has increased. And what happens when every member of parliament is present in the building and the hall? Many of them had to sit in very inconvenient places. Even some had to sit behind the pillars. They cannot see anything. If you are sitting behind a pillar, you cannot participate in the activity of the hall. So it is very embarrassing, and they don't have any office in the building. If someone visits them in the parliament, they have to meet in the canteen or some public space. This is very embarrassing for the persons who are representing, who are carving our destiny sitting in the building. So it is very necessary as per me, and this is necessary to create a building which should befit our stature and dignity of the whole nation. So it is my personal view. Yours may be different. But now I am coming to the new parliament building. Before coming to the new parliament building, I want to discuss the vastu of the old parliament building. Old parliament is circular shape, as I already told you, and it has been constructed on the plot which is in the shape of a triangle or trine. The building is circular and the plot is triangular. So it as per Vedic Vastu norms, even as per Chinese Vastu norms, Chinese Vastu, which is called Feng Shui, this is the this situation creates a lot of confrontation because the triangular shape of the plot symbolizes the fire element and the circular building symbolizes metal element as per Chinese Vastu or Feng Shui and as per Akash Tattva as per Vedic Vastu. Both the elements, fire element is contradictory to both of them, both are inimical to each other and it creates confrontation, and that is the reason never ever our opposition parties and the ruling parties come to a common point even in the interest of the nation. So it is very pathetic, and I believe, and even all the Vastu experts who have deep knowledge believe that this fact has very big contribution in this situation. Moreover, the triangular plot, a trine plot is not considered a very good option for creating a building. What happens, Vishwakarma Prakash and all the granthas, Vastu Mandanam, these granthas, Vastu Mandanam, Maimatam, they say that triangular plot hampers your happiness from your children. You don't beget children, you don't have any children. But what will happen in the case of parliament? If parliament don't have children, so what will happen? Children are our creations. If you deeply just ponder it, children are our creations, and in case of a nation, if you have triangular plot, you will not have creativity, you will not have innovation, and every person who has seen our growth of the nation will agree with me that we have lost creativity and innovation after independence. At the thought level, at the innovation level, at the cultural level, everywhere we are just copying Western countries, America, it may be Europe, we are just copying them. Our education system is copying them. We don't have any innovation or creativity. So it is my personal view that this plot, the triangular plot, is the main responsible. Even our constitution doesn't have any innovation or creativity. An act was created in 1935, India Independence Act 1935, and our constitution 70-80% is just copy of that act. So we have lost all the innovation and creativity, and that plot of the parliament from which the whole nation is ruled and guided is responsible for that. Ideally, we should avoid these anomalies in the new building. And the talk of the new building is not a new. I believe 12 to 15 years back. I am unable to recollect the exact year, but it was a hot topic in those days also for construction of a new building, and that time I was privileged to have discussion with the then minister in charge, and at that new building was also at that time was contemplated to be constructed on another triangular plot in the vicinity of the same. So I strongly opposed this idea, and I requested Mr. Minister not to construct a new building on the triangular shape plot, because the same problem will persist and continue. And somehow the idea was sold at that time, but now it has come again out of the ice box, and if everything goes right, the new building will be ready by 2022. Then why I am making this video? Because the same faults should not be repeated. That is my only motive. Even I have spoken on many stages and ceremonies and with people who can do that I may be associated with the whole project as a Vastu consultant, so that I can input the Vastu element in the project, and I am ready to do it for free. I will not charge even any penny for the project. Even I don't get any name, because I've seen that many of my clients who are very big celebrities, who had delivered the big projects, they don't want to give the impression that some Vastu consultant has been advised for the project. Some have different religion, many of persons, they don't want to give the name of the Vastu in their buildings and projects. So far so good jo hai. And in even this case, if government is not very prone to the idea that disclosing the fact that some Vastu consultant was roped in for construction of this project, I am even open to that thing also. I don't want any name, I don't want any money, I don't want any fame, but I want to contribute to the growth of the nation. And I'm firm believer that if Vastu principles are followed in this building, new building, it will create a very good factor. It will be a very good factor, catalyst in the fact to the growth of the nation on the new path. So it is my utmost desire to contribute as a Vastu consultant to the project of the new parliament building. But if you have seen the design, the building is of the triangular shape, new building, and just like old building, this new building has also been inspired from a temple from the Madhya Pradesh. It is Vijay Mandir, Bija Mandal or Vijay Mandal. It is in the Vidisha district, very near to the Khajuraho, and it is now in the ruins. Earlier, Aurangzeb had demolished the very beautiful temple and created a mosque, but by God's grace, the whole structure of the mosque got down due to heavy rains in one night. And after mosque came down, people could see a lot of Hindu deities and murtis and idols in the ruins. So they came to know, and after excavation, came to know that it is the mosque was constructed, very savvy mosque was created on the very beautiful Vijay Mandal or Vijay Mandal. So the whole, you can now see the images of the ruins of Vijay Mandal. You can see the design of the new parliament building. New parliament building has been designed after taking inspiration from the Vijay Mandal. So the new building is triangular shape, not circular shape like earlier one. And I don't know whether the new building is being constructed on the old triangular plot or some new plot, or plot has been reshaped. I don't know exactly, because I'm not in the loop of the project. And if I come into the loop of the project, I may study and advise accordingly. But if it is again being constructed on the triangular shape of the plot, I will again vehemently oppose it and request the concerned authorities to reshape the plot and do something so that it becomes Vastu compliant. Regarding the triangular shape building, I am not against it. A triangular shape building creates a lot of energy and fire, and it gives the push and force to the new journey for the nation. But what is problematic here that the old building, the circular shape building, is just adjacent to this new building, and once both the buildings will be there, it will again create a lot of confrontation in the nation. And as you might have seen, the day the design has been finalized of the new building, a lot of confrontation between the past and the present of the nation has started. Still, the farmers have घेराव the whole our capital Delhi and there is deadlock between government and farmers. I believe that government will resolve this thing, but the day it has come into design has come into existence, a lot of confrontation has started to come up between the past India and new India. So there are two requests from my side with the concerned authorities, that they should not construct the new building on the triangular plot. Second thing, my request is that if they are creating the new building in the vicinity of old building, this should create a wall of the energy of some conducive element. The Vastu practitioners know that these type of walls which remains invisible, this is not traditional wall from brick and mortar, but it is some another wall which creates a harmony between two confronting elements. The one element exhibited by the old building, another element by the new building, and there will be confrontation, but we can introduce an elemental wall between these two which will avoid this confrontation. There are two requests only. First, do not construct on the triangular plot. Second, create harmony between old building and new building. This is a two requests you have, and that is the purpose of the creating this video, that through this video my request may go to the concerned authorities. It may be Prime Minister Modi, it may be the concerned minister or the senior bureaucrats, but it should reach there. And I will request you, beseech you to please circulate this video so that this way or that way it reaches to the concerned persons. And if I promise, and it is my commitment, and it is my firm belief that if Vastu principles are followed into the new building, it will be a very, very, very big factor and stimulant in the growth of our nation, and it will run like anything. Thank you. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com.